From the vantage point of a mountaintop observatory, the heavens are an open volume waiting to be read. And as a sky filled with individual wonders is surveyed each night, no aspect of the universe proves more striking to behold than its size. Throughout the Old Testament, a recurring phrase is used to describe God's shaping of the cosmos. He stretched out the heavens. Though written more than 3,000 years ago, the words convey a vivid and accurate picture of the universe modern astronomy continues to reveal. The sheer quantity of celestial bodies is almost beyond comprehension. Though estimates continue to rise, it is believed there are at least 100 billion individual galaxies in the universe, many of them comprised of 200 billion stars or more. In an effort to draw these numbers into some kind of meaningful focus, the British astronomer Sir James Jeans speculated that the total number of stars in space could equal or surpass the total number of grains of sand on all the seashores of all the world. And in most cases, each of these stars is separated from any other by trillions of miles. He stretched out the heavens indeed. But how large really is the universe? There is no way to measure precisely, but some perspective can be drawn by using the imagination to survey its boundaries of distance and time. Let us travel now at the speed of light, departing from our home star on a trip across the cosmos toward the edge of the known universe. Our imaginary journey begins at midnight on January 1st, when we prepare to launch into space at the speed of 186,000 miles per second. We quickly pass the orbits of Mercury, Venus, and span the 93 million miles that separate the Earth from the Sun in just 8 minutes 19 seconds. We continue on, passing Mars, then the gas giant planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Finally, after 5 hours and 31 minutes, we race past Pluto and its companion moon. Our journey has taken us more than 3.5 billion miles to the outer limits of our solar system. And it's still January 1st. Now we alter our flight path and travel in a direction perpendicular to our galaxy. Behind us, the 9 planets and the Sun quickly vanish from sight. The emptiness of space is broken only by the light of stars so distant they do not yet appear to move. A year passes, then 2 years, 3, 4 years. Finally, on April 19th of the 5th year, we reach Alpha Centauri, the nearest star to our solar system. We have traveled more than 25 trillion miles, and our journey has scarcely begun. We are now 10 light years from the Sun, far enough out in space that the stars within our galaxy appear to converge. 100 light-years from the Sun. Patterns of gas and nebulous material from the arms of the Milky Way fill our view. 1,000 light-years. The galaxy's arms and disk become more defined. Yet it is not until we have traveled at the speed of light for 100,000 years that the entire spiral shape of the Milky Way is recognizable. From here on, each point of light we see is no longer an individual star, but an entire galaxy composed of billions of stars. "5 million years after beginning our journey, the Milky Way is seen as part of a cluster of about 30 galaxies, known as the Local Group. "50 million light-years out, we encounter the large Virgo cluster, containing more than 2,000 galaxies. And so it goes, as our travels continue to take us deeper into the cosmos. We pass cluster after galactic cluster, each a building block of a far greater framework. A billion years pass. 5 billion. Finally, after 10 billion years, we decelerate and pause to observe a theoretical view of the universe's large-scale structure. Countless billions of galaxies are now seen to comprise chains, masses, and thread-like structures that stretch across the cosmos, separated by enormous regions of empty space. It is a spectacular tapestry, so vast and diverse in its design that the power of its creator must truly surpass all human understanding.